The thing you're going to do the most in Java is call methods. It's the simplest type of data flow, and it's incredibly powerful. What you can do is basically go from one part of your code and just jump to another part of your code instantly, do something, and then come back with a single piece of data. And the return keyword is very important here. When I'm writing a method, let's say I wanted to make a method that adds two numbers together. The first one will be called A, and the second one will be called B. Now, I have to put this thing into my method signature, but I'm going to leave it out for a moment. And that's the return type. And I'm going to show you why. Let's say we want to add the numbers. It's going to be red right now because I haven't finished my method signature on line 13. But let's say I wanted to add the numbers just, 15 and 7. What's going to happen when this piece of code on line 10 executes is it's going to jump from here all the way to 13. After that part is done, here on line 15, it's going to then jump back here. It's almost like you've taken whatever code is here and then inserted it here instead. So, what is going to happen, let's say I wanted to take, let's see, the answer would be, A plus B is all I really need to do. So, when I want to take this answer that I got from this input and give it back, I'm going to have to use a keyword to actually define what data goes back. In this case, I'd return the answer. Now, that is what the return type is for. You see, this int has to match up with whatever I'm returning. In this case, it does. Answer is also an int. That means that when this code runs, I can actually treat this as an int. In fact, I can even save it as an int, because this piece of code here is going to run. It's going to jump down to add. Our return keyword is going to bring our data back all the way to my answer. You can pass as many parameters to a method as you want, but in the end, you can only return with one piece of data.